All right, so you just built your app and you want to get to hosting. So how do you do it? Um, yeah. First, you need the domain. For example, I have the AI Startup Club. So just did a quick setup. We have the code. So this is all the code. And yeah, we also bought a domain. So we're going to take this from localhost, that is my machine, to um, the production environment, which is online. Now, how do we do that? First, I think I must. So I just bought a domain, the aistartupclub.com. So if I just go into it, as you can see, it's saying that the site is not secure. Why? Because it doesn't exist. It does not exist. So yeah, that is something to take note of. And if I go and open it, so it's on Truehost. If I click to open, it's kind of loading. As you can see, I just bought it yesterday and still active. And yeah, I paid for it. So everything's cool. Let's get to quickly host this. So first, let me just make sure everything is up and running. And I'm going to push um, my latest updates. Yeah. So get commit. So if you're not very technical, this is not relevant to you. I'm just pushing the latest code. Get commit um latest code. Then yeah, it's committed, and then I'm just get push. Yeah, so I just push all the code to Git, and if I go back and go to my GitHub, yeah, I had created a repository, the AI Startup Club. If you're not familiar with Git, which is not the main, so let me just do a refresh. It's not the main subject of the course, but we might go into it if it's necessary. But for now, yeah, just you see the latest code has been pushed, and yeah, the latest updates are okay. Yeah, I startup club. Now, last step, let's just let me go to Vercel. So what is Vercel? Vercel is where I'm pushing because I'm building it on Next.js, so just makes sense to let me add the new project here. Of course, you can host it anywhere you want. I'm just doing it, yeah. So I'm going to import it from my Git repository, the AI Startup Club, the one that is in Git. This one that is in Git. I'm just going to import it from there and yeah, do an import. And I really hope it's not going to crash. Okay. And for some reason, Vercel doesn't respond as quickly as we would wish. I am yet to understand why. I don't know why, but yeah, it takes a few seconds. Yada yada yada. From Git, from Madega, or the AI Startup Club. Yeah, deploy. Hopefully, it doesn't crash because a lot of these things crash on deployment for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, it's preparing my deployment. So as it is doing that, let's just set up the. As you can see, the site still can't be reached because it's just a domain. We just bought it. So let's do a quick setup. So in order to set up the name, you just go to Cloudflare. I prefer using Cloudflare, by the way. So if you want to use another provider, I think Cloudflare gives me all the analytics, all the security that I want. So yeah, it is up to you at the end of the day. So account home, it's going to load it's going to load, and for some reason today the network is real slow for some reason. Let me just reduce my number of tabs. As you can see, my code base is still deploying. For some reason it's too slow, but yeah. Okay, so let's go on board a new domain, and yeah, we'll do a quick scan for DNS records. There is the